Welcome to section number 3. In this section, we'll be diving right into Node.js and we'll start to create our first of 4 applications. That first app is the note-taking app. Now, in this section in particular, the focus is going to be on one of the most fundamental features of Node, which is the Node module system. This is what allows us to load functionality into our app and use it to do interesting things. So as an example, if you want to go ahead and read or write from the file system, if you want to connect to a database or start up a web server, all of those are going to require you to use the Node module system. Now we're going to learn how to use it in 3 different ways. You'll learn how to load in core Node modules. These are modules that are included with your Node installation. You'll learn how to load in third-party modules written by other developers, and you'll learn how to load in modules that you yourself have created. I'm really excited to dive in and to start this first app, so let's get to it.